Ciao Tesla people. Today I have a new product. It's a cover for the Model Y, and I'm going to do the packaging and the installation. So let me put the camera in a nice spot that you can see the whole car. Okay, looks good. Actually, let me put it like this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so let's do the unpackaging and let's see. Okay, so there's this cover inside the plastic. Unfortunately, today is a windy day, so I need to be fast because maybe it's coming to rain. Okay, so let's do package this. It's plastic. So one thing that you need to figure out that is Model Y, if you buy this or if you buy another one, it needs to have the opening here for the heat pump. So my guess is valid for the Model 3 Highland, but not for the previous Model 3, if I remember correctly. Let me throw away the plastic. Okay, so it has some things to hold it. Okay, and let's open it up. I need to figure out which one is the front, which one is the back. These are some ties that you can tie to the wheels so it doesn't blow away. Put it here for a second. And let's see which side goes where. Okay, here is the mesh. So my guess, this is the front. Okay, let's. So this is the front, and this is the back. And it's pretty big because it has the front tag here, which is pretty good. Some labeling. Let's see if I can get to the other side. Nice. Okay. Very cool. The cool part is, so this is it's going to be like this. Yep. And you can plug it here. And on the bottom here, like that. And now I'm going to extend it on this side. These are the mirrors. And goes all the way to the back. This is pretty good. Nice. I like it. It's going to be difficult to put it back. Nice. Very good. I like it. It takes the shape of the car. And here is the other mirror. And here is the front again. And I can pull it all the way. Nice. Very good. All the way here. And the mesh. Nice. Very good. I like it. And on the way back, here. Now I'm not going to tie it with these guys here, okay? But what I'm interested in showing is the following. So first of all, let me take you to check it out. So first of all, there is the heat pump. So the cover doesn't cover the heat pump intake. So there's this mesh. There's some orange plastic here to show off. These are the mirrors, but the cool thing is that this opens up, so you can still enter the car. So let me check how difficult it is. Actually, let me put you on the tripod here, and I can open it all the way, and you can enter the car if you need to, okay? Which is pretty good. But the other cool part is that there is the entrance for charging. So this just is for the Model Y. Actually, it's open. Oh, no. Okay. So you can still charge while you have the cover on, and it's pretty good. So this the. Let me close this guy. And so you can protect your car against rain and UVs and all that stuff. Okay, doesn't protect against hail because you need a much more stronger material than this. I was contemplating to buy one, but you don't know when hail comes. Anyway, what I wanted to mention is the problem that I see is that Sentry mode won't work because you cover all the cameras. So what I'm planning to do is to do a modification to show the cameras down there and the cameras there up here. It's the camera, and then on the pillar here there's a camera, and in the back. That's the only thing that I see has a problem. For everything else, looks good. Pretty easy to install. The car is pretty big, so I want to modify that because I want to have the Sentry mode available. It shouldn't be difficult because you can design where they're, I can design where the, where is it? Here. I can make a design like a square where there is the camera, and glue some transparent material I can buy. So it's not a big deal. So we'll do that. And what else? And that's it. So it looks good on the other side too. Yep, pretty cool. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.